In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Excel column resize changing zoom and selection bug. Start by checking the zoom setting in the bottom right corner of the Excel window. Click the zoom percentage shown on the status bar. When the zoom dialog opens, choose the 100% radio button, then click OK. Now go back to the worksheet and drag the border between column headers A and B again. Watch the zoom level while you resize the column. Also click the column headers to confirm selection is still working normally. As long as your zoom is set to a round value, like 100%, 90%, or 80%, Excel should not trigger the glitch when you resize columns. Next, click File in the top left ribbon. In the left sidebar, go down to the bottom and click Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog. Inside that dialog, click Advanced in the left pane. Stay near the top of the Advanced settings, and look for the Editing Options section. Find the checkbox labeled Zoom On, Roll with IntelliMouse. Uncheck that box. Then go to the bottom of the dialog and click OK. Back on the worksheet, drag the border between columns A and B one more time. The column width should change normally, and the zoom should stay fixed instead of jumping. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. Your Excel zoom and column selection should now behave normally while resizing columns.